What's up, my Glam family? Welcome back to another video. As y'all see by the title, this is a fall type of makeup look. So if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that post notification bell so you know whenever I upload a video. Stay tuned to see how I got this look. Bye, y'all.
What's up, guys? Okay, so the clip that I had before doing my whole face, I don't know what happened to it, so I'm just showing you guys the eyeshadow portion. And so as y'all saw, I'm using the JUVIAS Place palette, and I'm taking the orange and the brown out of this palette, and I just use those two colors basically to create this look. I will also be doing a updated makeup tutorial, and this video was supposed to be that, but like I said, I lost I don't know where the clips are of me doing my face, so I will do that in the next video, so stay tuned for that.
What about the next day? I said you don't want to throw it all away. I might be bugging on the first day. What about the next day? Dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again.
At first I was going to line my lips with a NYX Espresso, but I decided not to, and I just used the lip cream to line my lips, and then I just spread it all over.
If I say no, would you turn away or play me off, or would you stay up? And if at first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. You can dust it off and try again, try again. 'Cause if at first you don't succeed.
So after I did that, I put on some lashes, and then I used this highlighter by JUVIAS Place, and it's the Nubian by JUVIAS. It's a NEFERTITI loose highlighter, and I just take this on the bridge of my nose and the point of my nose, or tip of my nose. And then after that, I just spray my face with some Urban Decay face setting spray, and that was pretty much it.
Try again. I might be shy on the first day. What about the next day?
So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it as much as I did, and you should wear this for Thanksgiving. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.